Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my video for the first time, welcome to the family. And for my old subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make coconut oil.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning again.
The ingredients for this carrot oil are just some carrot and any caviar oil of your choice. So I'm going to place a pot on the fire, add some water and allow it to come to a boil. So while the water is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and peel my carrots. I'm using 2 carrots. You can use more depending on the quantity you are making. So after peeling it, I'm just going to go ahead and grate it. So make sure you grate the carrot into a smaller pieces so that it will be easier to extract the juice from it. After grating it, I was so tempted to eat from it. After grating it, you can put it in a jar or a breakable plate. Then you add your coconut oil to it. You can use any oil of your choice. Make sure the coconut oil covers it. Then I stir it together, make sure they are well combined. Next, you put it into the boiling water, then cover it and leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes to boil. So after leaving it to boil, I'm going to bring it out and put it aside and allow it to cool down before I strain it. Now it is time to strain it to get all the oil and the juice from it. So I'm just using a spoon to press it down so all the oil will be strained out of it. Then I'm going to pour it in the container. After abstracting it, I'm just going to take some of the carrot and put inside the container. That's basically it, guys. Carrot oil is very good for your hair, for your skin. It nourishes your skin, it leaves your skin glowy and shining. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. And guys, leave me a comment on what content you want to see on my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye.